So we just made our reservations for our specialty dining. Now we heading into the Aquadome Market. And this is their menu right here.
I don't think we're gonna be here long. They got salad, but I don't think they want no salad. We're gonna go to the regular buffet. They got like Chinese food. Y'all know I like good Chinese food.
So this is the Aquadome Market. You ain't seen nothing you liked?
I want to see what they got down there. They got all mac and cheese.
They got different macaroni and cheeses, y'all. This is called Max. They got pepperoni pizza mac and cheese, broccoli mac and cheese, chili mac and cheese, bacon mac and cheese, and classic. I need some of that bacon. They about to try some bacon mac and cheese. What's the verdict? That ain't it. She used to. Oh, you're good. She used to our kind of mac and cheese. Oh, you're good.
It's salty.
Yeah, it is kind of salty. How's the lemonade? Lemonade on point? We a long way from Detroit. We are a long way from Detroit. That is for sure. Hi. Wow. Look at the pools, y'all. Wow. Just taking it all in. Well, can't say anything else. I can say I'm impressed. I think they've been working on this ship for 7 years, if I'm not mistaken. Wow. We have now entered Cantina Fresca. This is their Mexican restaurant. They got burritos, quesadillas, all kind of good stuff to eat. They got the bartenders turning it up. El Loco Fresh. Welcome to the Windjammer.
Welcome everyone. Good
Hello.
afternoon. Welcome.
Hello.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
All right, he started twerking. Time to go. They got what? Wow. No, thank you. Look at the ice sculpture. All right, so we are now in the Windjammer, and the Windjammer is packed. Yeah, we can sit right here. There are a lot of cruise vloggers on here.
You want to sit down?
So we in the Windjammer. Let's see what they got. What you get?
I got crab claws, crab legs, asparagus, chicken.
How is it?
They're all right. I like my food hot. So I'm probably gonna get some else. I gotta be selective.
All right, well, I'm about to go pick out some stuff to snack on real quick. Let's go.
I can go back.
I don't even know where to begin. It is so much. to choose from. Like, I have no clue. I don't even know where to start. So let me just start with grabbing a plate. Just gonna walk around for a bit, see what they got. It's just so much to get, so much to see. They got the chicken. They got some fish over there. Excuse me. They got seafood. They got the soup over there. How you doing?
How are you?
Good. They got the salad bar over here. It's just so much. They got hot dogs and burgers over there. I'm not gonna go way over there. I'm just gonna start with I'm just gonna start over here. Y'all know I'm not a lobster eater or everything like that, but they got crab legs, and now I don't know if they're gonna have this on other days necessarily. I'm gonna assume not, but we don't know. You never know. Look at the nice ice sculpture. It's time for me to pick out something, y'all, so I'll be back in a flash. I know I said I was coming right back, but y'all have to see this. They got lamb chops, filet mignon, broiled fish, all kind of stuff. I'm gonna try some lamb chops. I usually don't eat lamb chops, but I'm gonna try it. I want to do the flow rider so bad. I'm gonna do it too.
So you wanna walk this way or you wanna walk that way?
This way.
It looks great. I'll post some photos of it too, so you can see them on Facebook. Lights up at night.
So we are here. I don't know where we are. This ship's so big. I don't know where we are, but we are where the kids. Let's try this one.
Yep, I can recognize it, so you must be doing good.
Thank you. I'll be here all week. What's up, everybody? We are here with Sig Cruiser. We met her when we was just walking by. And now we friends now. I had to go play some steel drums real quick though. That was my first time playing steel drums, so I'm excited. How you doing?
I am doing great. This ship is beautiful. It is awesome. And I'm just kind of overwhelmed right now. I was just sitting here just trying to take it all in. Just trying to take in Surfside.
It's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
It's definitely a lot to take in. It can be very overwhelming if you let it get to you. So
You gotta come on here like 3 or 4 times.
I can see that.
Yeah, I think it's the point. I think that's the point. But I think we might be able to get through it in a week though. I think so. I think we done seen a pretty big part so far.
We just walked through.
We walked through.
It's the difference between seeing it and experiencing it.
Uh-huh.
You know, so that's the thing. You know, you have to come in and experience the vibes and to see what it's like, you know, with, especially this is the first, you know, regular sailing.
Right.
Where we have more people on the ship, so it's like, well, how is the environment with it being, you know, full sailing?
Right.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully it'll be a great time. I'm looking forward to it. And we're going to continue to rock. All right. All right, we are now in the arcade, everybody. Unlike Version, you got to pay for this. Version, the arcade is free. But here, you got to pay. Yeah, you definitely going to pay. Wow. What is it? Oh, okay.
Y'all always get 100.
Always?
Always.
You think you could do it this time?
No, not for 250 a play, no.
How many plays will it usually take you?
Maybe like 2 to 3.
All right.
I always get this at that.
This one not on.
Transformer. What's called rocket ball, ski ball, or something like that?
Something like that. I think skee ball. It's called skee ball.
Y'all, they not playing with these prices.
No. No, you gonna pay.
Oh, this is the old school game, though, so it's $1.
This is definitely not the Section 8 cruise.
This is $1. It's $1. It's a 1942 game.
Wasn't no games out in 1942.
That's what I said, 1942.
Yeah, but it wasn't. They didn't have no games out. The TV was barely invented then.
I'm just saying what the thing said.
All right.
Oh, this is another good one right here, y'all. This one gets you a lot of tickets too.
What is it?
This is when you hit the button and then it go around.
You be getting 500 tickets on that one too. I'm trying to say you the best that ever do it.
I didn't say that, but words of your mouth.
All right. Mario Kart. We are at Surfside Bites. Here you can get your popcorn, chicken, hot dogs, cheeseburger, pizza toast, french fries, cinnamon sugar, churros, confetti cookie, and fruit skewer. And they are making it right now nice and fresh.
Ice cream right back next to it.
How was the ice cream?
It's really good.
Is it better than Carnival's?
Yes.
Why you say it like that?
Like what?
Why you look at me like that when I said was it better than Carnival? Is it? Ain't nobody trying to you tell somebody the drink machine broke, they gonna fix it on here, huh?
Look, I was getting ready to get your lemonade, and it was one of the workers. He was getting something to drink first. He's like, "Let me check the machine for you first." And he checked to make sure it was full. He's like, "Okay, go ahead."
Not on Carnival. All they do is slap it a couple times. It's like, nah, we love you, Carnival, though. All right, we just got off live, so now we are going to the deck party on floor skyscraper 15, and we're gonna see what that is all about. Right, babe?
Yeah, good. I'm excited.
It's been 12 minutes and we still have been walking.
Hello, Mr. Rombar.
Yes.
And
The hall.
with Christy. Yes, sir.
Update. We've been walking down this hall for 20 minutes and we still have not made it to the elevator.
If y'all gotta ask for room, you gotta ask balcony. Just know, put your worker shoes on.
We will keep you posted. Update. We have made it to the middle part of the arena. And
The arena.
yeah. And now we are going to the 15th floor. It's hot all through the ship, ain't it? Oh, I think I hear the cha-cha slide, y'all. We have some technical difficulties with the door. Left foot, left foot.
1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 3, 4, cha-cha-cha.
Get back now, y'all. Don't hop this time. So we are here at the are in absolute zero now, getting ready to see the show. Look how cool this look, y'all. This must be what the thing in Tron Legacy at Disney look like. Gotta find a seat. So we just got out of Starburst. Is that what it's called? Starburst?
I believe so.
3.
It wasn't good, y'all.
It was interesting, I'll say that. It was interesting, but now we would like to turn your attention to this dining room. Wow. All right, so we are walking through. We are headed to dinner in the main dining room. I'm loving this design. This is a great decor. I'm really rocking with the color.
All right.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we just got out of Starburst. You said it wasn't good. So what was the problem?
It didn't have no plot or nothing. They were just talking about like the elements. The ice skating was unmatched. Like the ice skating was pretty good. They did their thing with the ice skating, but like it didn't have no plot. Like it was just them talking about elements, helium.
So yeah, it was about the elements, and
Oh my God, it was so boring. Man, I was looking at the clock. I'm like, how much longer?
yeah.
And it was cold. It's so cold in here. If y'all go, make sure y'all take a jacket or sweater or something.
Yeah.
It's probably gonna be the first YouTube vlogger to say I didn't like it or whatever.
It was interesting. Like she said, the skating was good. It was real good. You know, like they was throwing each other and then twirling and all that good stuff. But it was.
I'm gonna get the main course.
But it was just. I don't know. It lacked something. So.
Yeah, it wasn't like no plot or nothing. It was just them talking about the elements or what the elements do and how they act. And it just was like, I really want to hear about the periodic table.
But I mean, if that's your thing, go see it. If you like ice skating, if you like, you know, the athleticism of ice skating and figure skating and all that good stuff, then I would say go see it. But if you're looking for you know, like a full story, you know. But we about to see what's on this menu. I got the prime rib, mashed potatoes hot and under, medium well, and they got the crab cake. I'm about to find out how it tastes.